Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick video on some cases for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. These cases are made by Taurus. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Okay, so we got three cases here, and they are the Taurus Crystal Clear case. You got the Shockproof case, and this is the Slim Fit case, all right? Slim Fit design. We'll take them out one at a time. Let's put these put this to the side right here. Let's go ahead and pull this out of the box. So here's the case. The case feels good. TPU size. It's fairly stiff though. Now this one is you got your cutout for your porch there, your speaker, and your mic. Nothing on the left side here. And you got your volume down button right there, and your power button, multi-purpose button right there, and you got your mic hole. And you got that camera cut out. Now this is kind of slim, so you can see not a whole lot of raised area. We're gonna see how that look when you get the camera inside, but it's a fairly thin case, okay? Let's go ahead and get the device and let's put it inside. Okay, so we got the S20 Plus right here. Let's go ahead and stick it inside the case. See what it looks like. All right, so it fits nice fit to it. And it's looks fairly slim on the device. Now it doesn't come up too high over the lip, so you don't have much lip there. If you drop this on the surface, you're gonna have a problem. You can see there's not much of a lip there. Very thin. That's their style though. Now the camera, so this outside edge, let me see. I think you're gonna get some camera here. Now it does have feet on the corner, so that's gonna protect the camera right there. So that's what they did. So if you look here, these little nudges here come up higher than the back of the camera. So it's going to protect, the back won't be touching the surface. So that's going to protect the camera right there, all right? So that's pretty cool how they did that. Power button, everything works pretty good. Everything lines up on the bottom right there, no problem. Nice slim look. Let's see, no, I don't see, you got Taurus branding right there, some branding. Yeah, Taurus branding right there. Nothing on this side right here but the buttons. But nice case to be able to see the color of your device. Everything comes through, and it's fairly slim. All right, so you're not adding any bulk to the device. Okay. For those who like the clear cases, anti-yellowing as well. It doesn't get yellow. All right. Now let's check out wireless charge on this case. All right, let's put this on the wireless charger. All right, so it's picked up right there, no problem. So gonna be good there. Okay, so this next case is the Shockproof case. Let's pull this out. Okay, so this is a pretty unique case. You got the translucent back right there, so you can kind of see through a little bit, not a whole lot, but you can, a little bit of transparency. And again, you got the camera cut out right there. So you got the feet, there's no feet on the back, but you can see this back, well, you may not be able to see that, but this is raised a little bit right here. So this back doesn't touch the surface. So it's raised up a little bit. So that's where you get the raised area at on the back for the camera, to protect the camera. Now this one is a little bit, it's got that matte finish on the side, but it's feels a little bit slippery right now. Got your power button right there, your volume up and down rocker right there, your mic hole, and your cutout for your ports and your speakers and your mic right there. Nothing on this side. I don't even see any branding. Got a spot for lanyard right there. And I don't see any branding on here at all. So this one is pretty clean, but I think it's gonna look good. All right, let's go ahead and put the device inside, see how it looks. Okay, so we got the S20 right here. Let's go ahead and pop it inside. Put the bottom in first. All right, so that fits pretty nice. I think over time you'll get some grip and you'll get used to this one. But it's got a little bit of lip right there, and their devices don't really protrude. The lips don't protrude like some of the others, to keep that slim, refined look there. And so you gotta be careful with the front glass. Now the back, the camera doesn't raise up too much, and this side, the sides are going to come up higher than the camera. So they will protect the camera because they do rise up higher than the camera itself. You can see this right here. You see that little curve up right there on the corners? That's going to keep the back off of the surface. So when you set it down, the camera won't be touching the surface. But it looks good. It's a nice looking case. All right, everything lines up on the bottom, as you can see. And the mic hole on the top, no problem there. See right in it. All the buttons and ports work pretty good. All right, so that's another case from Taurus right there. All right, let's check out wireless charger on this case. All right, we got it on the wireless charger. It picked up, no problem. So thin cases, they're all going to charge pretty well. Okay, the next case we'll look at is called the Slim Fit design case for the S20 Ultra. Pull this out. All right, so this is the Slim Fit design. Now this one is pretty nice. She's got a nice matte back right there. You got a little bit of detail around the sides. You can see that little shiny line going around there. Power button, vibe up and down rocker. You can see inside that as well. So this one's a little fancier. You got that little kind of detail around the side there, so that's pretty good. You got some Taurus branding right there, and this kind of groove right here to separate that area. So it's pretty cool to see these cases from Taurus. You see the little detail going around the side right there. It's pretty nice. Now this one is thin. It is raised up around the camera, so that's going to help because you don't have any feet and the back doesn't raise up. So they got the camera area with some height there that's going to be able to take the camera, so that's pretty cool. All right, got your speaker port, charging port, and your mic hole right there. Mic hole up top. All right, so it looks pretty sleek. All right, you got a shock pattern inside to protect with crashes, and TPU sides are semi-rigid. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and put the device inside and see how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and put the S20 inside here, see what's up. This one is fairly slim, nice slim profile. So if you're looking for a slim case with good scratch protection for your camera, this is going to be the one for you. Nice black finish, matte, and you got good detail right there. All right, now everything lines up. You see that the charging port is good right there, speaker port, and your mic hole right there. Everything lines up, right? And you got your charger, your power button right there. Only branding's on the back in the middle right there, but pretty slim. You can get your hand around it, no problem. And it looks pretty good. I think it's a nice case. We're gonna check out wireless charge, see how that works. Okay, let's put this on the charger. All right, so it picked up, no problem. Wireless charge works with these cases. They're pretty thin, so you don't have any problem there. Okay, so that was a good look at 3 cases for the Galaxy S20 Ultra made by Taurus. You can get these from Amazon. I'll put the links in the description for you so you can order them if you want to. Make pretty good cases, very slim, but offer decent protection, you know, as far as drops. Minor drops and scratches, just gonna be good protection for you. I wouldn't throw this across the room because it's probably not gonna work, all right? But if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.